Hello student, now we are going to learn AutoCAD move command. It is a very important command. By AutoCAD move command, we moves a object in a specified distance in a specified direction. Move command shortcut M, enter, select object, that means select object to move, select this rectangle, enter, specify base point may be this midpoint, this end point, okay, this is the base point. Next, specify second point, this end point is the second point, click this end point. So move this rectangle to end point of this line. Again, type M for move command, select object, that means this circle, enter, specify base point may be this quadrant or this center, click on this center. Now specify second point, this is the end point of the line, okay. Now if the ortho is on, type move command, M, enter, select object, select object, enter, specify base point, if this is the base point. Now move this object in this direction of above this direction, lower this direction. Now move this direction 100, enter, it is moved in 100 direction, distance 100, okay. Now we move this object, this drawing object, there are 5 drawings, 1 2 3 4 5. We move all object within the rectangle. Here base point, not a vital point. Now for move command, type shortcut command M, enter, select object, select this object, enter, specify base point, any point within the drawing, click on base point, specify second point, ortho off, specify second point. We arrange this drawing into this rectangle, specify second point here. Again right click, move, click on move command, select this object, enter, specify base point, any point within the object, this is the base point, specify second point, this is the second point. Again right click, move, select object, enter, specify base point, this is the base point here. Again right click, repeat move command, select object, enter, specify base point, this is the base point, specify second point, this is the second point. Again right click, repeat move command, select object, enter, specify base point, this is the base point, any point within the object. Now specify second point, this is any point, any suitable point within the rectangle. We arrange this drawing by this way by using move command. It is clear, my student? Thank you.